The American flag flies from the main building of the U.S. Embassy in Moscow. Sergei Elnitsky, EPAFA, Shutterstock. The Democratic National Committee asked a federal court Friday to order the State Department to present a lawsuit to Russia that alleges election meddling on behalf of President Trump when he was running against Democrat Hillary Clinton in 2016. If a federal judge agrees, the Trump administration would be compelled to serve legal papers to the Russian government and two other entities in the lawsuit the DNC filed in April. Russia routinely refuses to accept such notices that it is being sued, so a judge's order to the State Department is required, the DNC filing claims. While civil suits against foreign governments aren't rare, the circumstances of the case are unusual. Because Trump won, his administration would now be forced to help carry out the legal demands of a rival political entity that claims a foreign power helped him secure a victory. The Trump campaign has received legal notice of the lawsuit, the DNC said in a separate filing in U.S. District Court in New York on Friday. That means the Trump campaign is now officially contesting the DNC claims, as a spokesman said it would when the suit was filed last month. This is a sham lawsuit about a bogus Russian collusion claim filed by a desperate, dysfunctional and nearly insolvent Democratic Party, Trump campaign manager Brad Parscale said at the time. The Democrats' lawsuit was without merit and likely to be dismissed, Parscale said. The suit also names Russia, a Russian military spy agency called GRU, and a shadowy online entity known as Guccifer 2.0. The complaint alleges that top Trump campaign officials conspired with the Russian government to hurt Clinton and help Trump by hacking the computer networks of the Democratic Party and disseminating stolen material found there. The State Department would transmit a Russian-language copy of the complaint to the Russian government through its embassy in Moscow. The procedure is not uncommon but rarely involves the kind of charged political issues at hand in this case. The request for a court order sets up a choice for the Trump administration, which could contest the directive or carry it out as an ordinary administrative function. The suit asserts that the Russian hacking campaign and Trump associates' contacts with Russia amounted to an illegal conspiracy to interfere in the election. Those actions and the campaign's public cheerleading of the hacks caused serious damage to the Democratic Party, the suit claims. Suing a foreign country typically presents legal challenges for U.S. plaintiffs because other nations have immunity from most U.S. lawsuits. The lawsuit argues that Russia is not entitled to sovereign immunity in this case because the DNC claims arise out of Russia's trespass onto the DNC's private servers in order to steal trade secrets and commit economic espionage. Senate investigators and prosecutors for Special Counsel Robert S. Mueller III are still looking into whether Trump associates coordinated with any Russian efforts. In March, Republicans on the House Intelligence Committee said they had found no evidence that Trump and his affiliates colluded with Russian officials to sway the election or that the Kremlin sought to help Trump, a conclusion rejected by the panel's Democrats. Trump claims that Democratic allegations of Russian interference on his behalf are a hoax, and frequently says there was no collusion between his campaign and the Russians. Alice Kreitz contributed to this story.